Metropolitan Lodge against Team San Diego. This is going to be interesting as Team San Diego will be playing back to back. Good morning, everyone. I'm your host for this day, the one and only Ludwig Van Magic Man, who will be calling the play-by-play and analysis for this matchup. So we go with the jump ball and we start the game officially underway. Metropolitan versus San Diego. Can San Diego finally be defeated, or they can still be the #1 team in this tournament? Kent from the elbow. Kent still not missing there. But Kent has been a spark plug and providing some contributions here for team. But quick answer there for Team Metropolitan. That would be number 18 or 19 rather. Anthony, again this guy is a markman as he is the hit maker. Anthony again, well he's the main man for Team San Diego, the heart and soul, the bread and butter for Team San Diego. He's been leading both offensive and the defensive end here for Team San Diego. Directing the play, high-low situation. Quick answer for Metropolitan Basketball as they are tied at the moment. Number 29 for Metropolitan. Ivan.
Oh yeah.
Sean will be manning the point guard duties here for Team MB, Metropolitan Lodge. They swing it around, reverse layup. The defense able to bother him quickly there. No look pass again, Anthony. Thought about it, back to Ivan. But look at coming out of nowhere. Kent making the ball alive here. Sean lets it fly from long distance. Can't answer the call. Alvela to Kent. Almost losing it, but Anthony remains with some composure. Stuck in traffic, steps back, battle for loose ball. Ivan picks it up.
We're going down.
3 seconds violation against, that would be Alvela or Team San Diego. Well, you gotta admire Team San Diego playing back to back here. It shows that their stamina is ready for this tournament. No look pass from the corner. Baseline stolen away by Anthony. Well, as you can see, both ends of the floor, Anthony making it happen. Ivan, well, he's the playmaker, he's the scorer, he is the anchor for the defense of Team San Diego. Sean using the half-court set. They swing it around, puts it up. Too strong for Carlos. And that was a beautiful play set up by Anthony to Alvela. Double 8 battery for San Diego. Sean facilitating to Balvin. High-low play, missing that shot from number 29. I wasn't able to get his last name. Kent at the middle. Anthony again. Anthony. Key check for Anthony. 29 is short. And again, Ivan. 13-4. Metropolitan stuck with 4 points after the tying using the screen. Sean to Abaca. Still nothing for Carlos. Kent, low pass to Ivan. Separation in the paint. his wide body to create that space. And here comes the run, transition, Anthony to Kent. And foul will be called against number 18, Sean. Free throws will be rewarded to Kent. So this is the best time for us to promote our sponsors. Of course, Brother JD of Shiracha, Philippines, our trophy sponsor. Pablo in the ballgame and Asani to provide some front court presence in the paint, making it difficult. Well, a while ago, the first game, Asani and David were towering against Team San Diego. However, Team San Diego still able to manage those adjustments against a taller lineup for Team ABL. Pablo taking things slowly, turns around for Hassani. Hassani with the offensive rebound. And that would be again turned over to Team Metro Ball. Well, this is the second game of our four-game headliner for our first day of the tournament. Avella making it look easy, but trust me, that wasn't easy. Avella making it rain from downtown. But that shot came from downtown San Diego. And what will remain with Metro Ball? Well, Metro Ball right now didn't know what hit them as they are down with some points against San Diego. Sean unable to capitalize on that one. Fading away, Hassani falling away, and that was difficult. That was a gorgeous move from Hassani. Kent back to Bardo. Bardo again, ice in his veins. Bardo making the defense pay on that one. High-low again to Hassani. Hassani almost losing the leather. Able to bring it back. Balvin tries baseline with the Euro. Almost everything but the shot. Stolen away by Pablo. Pablo don't look to Balvin. To Hassani. Too strong on that pass. With 12 minutes remaining on the first half. Ivan. Again, Avella, same spot. Able to get his own miss. No look. And Pablo to Balvin. Balvin with the power dribble. And he was able to use his left hand to make that basket. Ivan underneath the hole. That was a physical play there by Ivan. Waiting for his teammates to set up that play. They go on the left side. Chua to Balvin. Back to Chua. Hassani unable to catch that ball. 3-on-2 situation. Anthony, no go for him. They have the numbers 4-on-2. Bardo. Timeout will be called by Team San Diego. We'll be back after this timeout. Diego still up in this tournament. They haven't tasted defeat here in this tournament as we speak. But a while ago, Team ABL making it difficult for them, at least in the first half. Kent from 15 feet. And David is in the ballgame and able to get that ball. David tapping it. Hassani. And free throws will be rewarded here for Abarca, bench Abarca. And while he's at the free throw, of course, we need to thank Brother JD of Shiracha, Philippines for sponsoring our trophy. So, of course, everyone is welcome to sponsor if you feel the generosity to contribute. Of course, everybody's welcome. But back to the ballgame, this is for the spirit of brotherhood, masonry, basketball, showing sportsmanship and through sports. Cross-court pass, Anthony again. This time he's offline for Anthony. Well, this time he wasn't able to make that, but he has been the difference maker for this team. Now for both teams, if we try to analyze the situation, they need to shut down. They need to shut down Anthony and Alvela. And stop ball, making them shot. Number one, that was Buda, sorry. There's two number one for Team Metro Baka and Buda. Substitution. Number 69. Bistek Uy will be in the ballgame. Number 69, one of my favorite numbers as we speak. Don't ask me why, but that's my favorite number. Here comes Uy, number 69, stopping it, short on that one. Sean still unable to buy a basket. Kent at the middle, looking at a zone defense 2-3. Alvela again. Alvela, he will not be denied from Rainbow Country. Valenzuela sneaking from behind like a pickpocketer. What a defensive play by Valenzuela when he used his speed and quickness right there. Alvela, back-to-back hits for Alvela, raining it from long range. Well, this guy is on fire. Alvela showing us that he is also part of the AA Antranda of Team San Diego. That was just magnificent play coming from the defensive end from Valenzuela. Of course, timeout will be called again with 8 minutes and 13. We'll be right back in the second game of your Inter-Launch Freemason basketball game.